My name's Nick Taylor. I'm one of the founders and one of the directors here at Bespoke Dental Ceramic. We're based in Doncaster in South Yorkshire, and we provide a fixed prosthodontics service to dentists throughout the UK. My role on a day-to-day basis is not only to run the business, but to provide dentists with Essex retainers, mouth guards, porcelain bonded crowns, implant retained crowns, the whole spectrum of fixed prosthodontics in the dental laboratory. I've been in this industry for 15 years, and one of the main problems we face on a day-to-day basis is dust. It's a carcinogenic dust that we're breathing in every day. So to combat the dust issue we had before, we used benchtop extraction units and masks. The main issue with the existing units is that it doesn't combat the issue of the airborne particles that we're breathing in every day. The main reasons why we decided to get the AeraMax installed was just to improve the working environment, because improving the work environment increases staff morale, increases workflow. The results were noticed straight away. The environment was much crisper and clearer, and there was definitely less dust in the lab. If you've noticed that you need to make improvements in your laboratory, then I would say the AeraMax is a must. If you want to improve the air quality of the working environment, staff morale, therefore improving productivity, then it's something that you need to look at investing into. Choosing the AeraMax air purifier has been one of the best decisions I've made for this business.